Hello friends. Welcome to Anika Health Tips. I'm Dr. Anika, and today we're going to talk about a topic that most seniors get completely wrong: fats and muscle building. You may be eating protein like a champ, tracking every gram, hitting the gym 3 times a week, but still, your muscles aren't growing. That's because healthy fats are often missing from your diet. It might surprise you, but fat isn't the enemy. In fact, fat is your body's preferred energy source, and without enough of it, building and maintaining muscle becomes incredibly difficult. Fat gives more than twice the energy per gram than carbohydrates or protein. 9 calories versus 4 calories. It also supports hormone balance, reduces inflammation, keeps your skin and hair healthy, and protects your joints. Yet for decades, fat has been demonized by low-fat campaigns, misleading labels, and corporate propaganda. People think low-fat equals healthy, but in reality, it often means sugar, artificial sweeteners, and other chemical fillers that destroy your gut and sabotage your results. Let me share a story to illustrate this. One of my patients, Mrs. Margaret, is 62 years old. She diligently tracked her protein intake, avoided fat, and exercised regularly. But after 8 months, her arms looked thinner, her belly soft, and she had actually gained 6 pounds. She thought she was eating healthy, but when I checked her diet, she was consuming low-fat yogurts, milk chocolate, and processed foods with hidden oils. Once she replaced low-fat products with healthy fats like pecans and macadamias, and cut out processed oils and sugar, everything changed. 8 weeks later, she lost 7 pounds from her midsection and her muscles finally became visible. This is the power of eating the right fats. So today, I want to show you the 2 nuts that can completely transform your muscle growth and health, and also reveal 3 fat sources you must avoid at all costs. Pecans. The muscle-friendly nut pecans are more than just a tasty snack, they're a powerhouse of healthy saturated fats, vitamins, and minerals. Saturated fats in pecans are essential for delivering fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, all of which support muscle growth, bone health, and overall energy. Pecans also help your body produce testosterone naturally, which is critical for muscle protein synthesis, especially for seniors who may be experiencing age-related hormone decline. Science supports this. A 2023 study found that older adults who regularly ate tree nuts like pecans had better muscle strength, reduced inflammation, and improved recovery compared to those who avoided them. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and micronutrients in pecans supports muscle repair and growth, making them a perfect addition to your daily diet. How to enjoy pecans. Breakfast: pecan-crusted omelette. Whisk 3 eggs with a splash of cream, salt and pepper. Then sprinkle 1/4 cup of chopped pecans and some spinach and cheddar. Fold and cook until the cheese melts. Lunch: mixed green salad with grilled chicken thighs, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, blue cheese, and toasted pecans. Toast the pecans in a dry skillet for 3 minutes until golden and fragrant. Dinner: pecan-crusted salmon. Press chopped pecans onto a 6-ounce salmon fillet, sear in beef tallow until golden, and serve with roasted Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes. Let me share another story. Mr. Ahmed, 67, struggled with fatigue and joint pain for years. He avoided fats thinking they would harm his heart, but after adding pecans and other healthy fats to his diet, he noticed more energy, less joint stiffness, and better workouts within a month. This shows how critical it is to include real, nutrient-dense fats instead of artificially low-fat alternatives. Macadamia nuts. The fat powerhouse. While pecans are great, macadamias are the king of healthy fats, packing around 76 grams of fat per 100 grams. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly omega-7, which support heart health, metabolism, and hormone balance. Macadamias also provide manganese and plant sterols that regulate cholesterol and hormone function, making them ideal for seniors who want to maintain lean muscle and energy. Signs you're not getting enough healthy fats: dry, brittle hair, and nails itchy. Flaky skin. Brain fog or poor mental clarity, weak joints or inflammation, poor absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K. Research shows, a 2022 study found that older adults consuming macadamia nuts for 12 weeks had improved muscle strength, reduced inflammation, and better insulin sensitivity. The fats in macadamias help your body produce testosterone naturally and support muscle protein synthesis, meaning your muscles actually respond to your workouts. How to enjoy macadamias. Breakfast: macadamia nut butter smoothie with protein powder, half a frozen banana, a cup of coconut milk, spinach, and flax seeds. Lunch: macadamia-crusted chicken thighs. Press chopped macadamias onto skin and chicken and sear in beef tallow. Serve with roasted asparagus. Dinner: protein-rich pasta like chickpea pasta tossed with macadamia pesto, basil, garlic, parmesan, olive oil, macadamias, and grilled shrimp or steak. Here's a real-life story. Mrs. Farah, 65, used to eat egg whites, tilapia, and chicken breast exclusively, tracking protein obsessively. But she had low energy and poor workout results. Once she started incorporating pecans and macadamias, her strength improved, workouts became easier, and her midsection fat started shrinking. These two nuts are not just snacks, they are tools for muscle building and hormone support. 3 fat sources that sabotage your muscle growth. Even with pecans and macadamias, unhealthy fats can completely undermine your progress. Here are the 3 major culprits. 1. Cottonseed oil. Most restaurant fried foods use cottonseed oil, which is extracted using chemicals and high heat, leaving it oxidized and inflammatory. Consuming this regularly increases inflammation, damages muscles, and slows recovery. 2. Soybean oil. Predominantly GMO. Soybean oil is stored in fat cells as the body cannot properly metabolize it. It promotes belly fat, triggers inflammation, and blocks muscle growth. 3. Milk chocolate and low-quality chocolate. Sugar spikes insulin, elevates inflammatory markers, and reduces testosterone. Chronic sugar intake triggers muscle breakdown, fat storage, and slower recovery. Only dark chocolate, 90% or higher, has health benefits. Science-backed fact. A 2020 study found that seniors consuming seed oils and high-sugar foods had lower muscle protein synthesis, higher visceral fat, and impaired strength gains compared to those consuming natural fats like nuts, olive oil, and animal fats. Another example is Margaret, 62. She ate milk chocolate every night, thinking it was harmless. Despite 8 months of exercise, her body didn't change. Once she switched to healthy fats and 90% dark chocolate, she lost belly fat, gained strength, and her muscles finally responded. Practical tips for seniors include pecans and macadamias in every meal. They are nutrient-dense, hormone-supporting, and satiating. Avoid all processed seed oils. Cottonseed, soybean, corn oil. Limit sugar intake and avoid milk chocolate. Combine healthy fats with protein and fiber in meals for optimal muscle growth. Focus on natural fats, olive oil, butter, ghee, coconut oil, and animal fats from quality sources. Remember, fat isn't just food, it's muscle fuel, hormone support, and energy protection. Without it, even the best workout and protein plan won't work as well as it could. If you want to transform your health and build muscle after 60, check my 30-day Healthy Fats and Muscle Meal Plan with over 90 recipes designed for seniors. It avoids toxic fats, focuses on healthy ones, and is backed by science. Link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Anika Health Tips and hit the notification bell. Tomorrow, I'll reveal a secret tip about building muscle after 60 that almost no one talks about. Stay tuned.